Alright, so after heating our Benedict's test, we can see if our sugars are reducing or not reducing. So our first was control, which is water. So since water doesn't have any sugar in it, we can see that this looks like a negative result. So just the same blue as our reagent bottle, meaning no reaction occurred. 2 was glucose, and you can definitely see that there's a precipitate formed at the bottom, and the supernatant is now a different color. So that means that the sugar in glucose was able to reduce our test. For fructose, we see the same thing. It turned a different color, and we have a precipitate, meaning that the copper in our reagent was reduced. 4 was, let me make sure I'm reading this thing, sucrose. And sucrose is not a reducing sugar. The solution still looks the same as our reagent. 5 for lactose, we see a color change and a precipitate, so lactose is a reducing sugar. For 6 was starch. We see there is a precipitate, looks like, but there's not a color change. So that's what starch would look like. And 7, our unknown, we see a precipitate and a color change, meaning our unknown is a reducing sugar.